Hi, I'm Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair, known as the Crackman, and I'm here with Brendan Kilcoyne, VP of H&K Insurance Agency. We're here to talk about some of the problems that condominium management companies are not aware of in reference to their master policy. This subject is on value, how to assess value when it comes to a master insurance policy in case there is a disaster.
Yeah, thanks, Rich. So, one of the major things on an insurance policy is, are you properly covered for your building? And how do you find out if you are? And a lot of times, a management company, or a property manager more specifically, is not going to be an expert on building value. That's not necessarily their job. So, they're relying on insurance agents, underwriters, inspectors to give them these numbers. So, an important question to ask when you're receiving a new quote or if you've just taken over a property is, how did we get to this building value? We're insuring it for $8 million. Explain to me how you got to that number. And a good insurance agent should be able to tell you it was appraised 2 years ago, or I work closely with adjusters, public adjusters, and adjusters for insurance companies, and try and find out what they would value a building like that.
So there are separate people that will go out and do an assessment for the insurance company to see like what a replacement value would be. Is that correct?
That's correct. As an agent, I have a good idea of what replacement cost is just from my experience, but I'm certainly not an expert and I'm not licensed to do it, so mine is more of a guesstimate. But there are licensed appraisers that specialize in condominium associations that can come out for a fee, of course, but give you a detailed report on how much it will cost to replace the building or buildings and how much you should insure it for.
I can recall one situation here in Marlborough, Mass, where there was a fire and there was a significant difference between what it cost to actually rebuild it versus what their insurance was willing to give because of this issue. So this is a very important thing. Doesn't matter at all when there's not a problem, but when there's a problem, you want to know that you're insured properly and speak to a professional in this field. Thank you.
That's Rich.